It is probably a good opportunity you came here, my brother. So he's the senior vice president for the Orange County Hispanic Chamber. And he was telling me, we got business. I like to get to know you, get to work together. So Nicole put the bridge together. So, I mean, if they got business, we'll show it to us, right? Let's get some going.
I need to get more. That wasn't good.
Clap twice.
Okay.
I used to do that with my elementary school students.
I'm here for you. I've been involved with the Chamber for 15 years myself. I started as a small business owner. We own a hospice company. We're in healthcare. He's actually, if I can have Moses come up here. Moses and Edia, come up here, brother. Let's give him a big round of applause. Moses is here. And, he's got this amazing book that he launched. He's very humble. He's probably not going to want to tell you all the great things he's done. He's got a great company called Global Processing Systems. We want to give him his new membership to the chamber, along with Nicole here. Thank you for joining our chamber. Let's give him a big round of applause. I can get a
Absolutely. Thank you very much. I want to appreciate MJ for connecting us with the chamber along with John. When I met John, it was like a straight connection. It was like a brother from another mother. So my name is Moses Heredia, founder and CEO of Global Processing Systems. And what we do is we enable customers who have businesses to take any form of payment other than cash, like Visa, MasterCard, American Express. So we have the machines. Some of our high-level accounts are like Domino's, Pollo Loco, mobile gas stations, that kind of stuff, right? But we cater really to those small mom-and-pop businesses. I came from that industry where it's a small mom and pop, and that's where we cater to. My book that John mentioned, guys, it's called Fields to Fortune. I was raised by an immigrant. My mom came from Mexico, and I used to work in the fields, cotton fields, cucumbers, bell pepper, out there with the immigrants. So I've been very blessed to be here. God has really blessed me to where I'm at today. My company has been in business over 23 years, and we're growing. So thank you for having us here and giving us this, John. And I'm so excited to be a member with you guys and offering our services to the Hope community. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Well, I mean, you'll still be connected to John somehow.
And plus, my boss, I told him, I said, we only have one life to live. And I said, my dream is to have my own hospice home. Because when my dad was under hospice, we didn't have a place to let him die peacefully.
It's a pleasure meeting you, honey. Thank you for making the connection.
Yes.
There's more to it, There's definitely, this is just, we're scratching the surface.
Hey, keep recording. We're gonna act like we're going in it.
Go ahead.
Let's all go.
Go.
And then cut at the end, okay?
Yeah. I'll put it in the vlog. It's gonna be in the vlog.
It's like, come on. Let's go.
Let's do a phone video.
Oh man, yes. Okay.
I'll send it to
This is
him.
awesome. This is cool, man. Wow. Look at this. Oh man. Moses, you live such a rough life.
Brother.
You live such a rough life, brother. Okay, we're gonna have our meeting here. Where's the box that you keep? The trunk. Oh, nice. This is cool. Let's go, man. This is what happens when you make it big. One day, bro, I want to be like you when I grow up. We say that in Spanish. Yo quiero ser como tú cuando crezca.
It's so dramatic if it's in Spanish.
Yes, it's very dramatic.
Hey, listen, I want to thank my buddy John here. Listen, at the end of the day, it's all about the OC Hispanic Chamber. He's the man making it happen. I appreciate him. Gracias, canal.
Well, thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother.
Muchas gracias. And, you know, we're gonna do our best. We're gonna do our best to be able to support you and of course
proud
everything you're
member,
doing.
man. Appreciate it.
Yes,
Support
member.
is mine.
Thank you, brother.
All right. We'll get together again, brother.
Thank you guys. You guys have a good night. God bless.
We'll
All
get
right.
together,
See you, brother.
Just wait here in the lobby and she'll come and get you when she's ready.
Awesome. Yeah, they wanted us here early.
No, yeah, you're good. She just had something before that, but it shouldn't be so.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, this dude is like a huge. He's one of the most famous announcers. Well, you know, in the Spanish. I mean, you know who that is, right?
Yeah.
What's his name?
I forget his name, but he's
I mean, I just know his
well.
face.
Yeah,
He's
Anchor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anchor?
yeah, he's a news anchor.
In Univision, so
Yeah.
I didn't know they were huge on Univision.
Nice to meet you, Marcus.
Likewise.
How you guys doing?
Hi, how are you? Ray, nice to meet you.
So Gina is our host for our Desert Rhythm
Awesome.
segments. She's doing a Zoom with some other people right now. But
Good
so
stuff.
this is your book here?
Yeah, so it's
Feels to the fortune. So,
Yeah,
Brian,
story.
right? Pretty much the 4 principles is just God, goals, grind, and global impact. And really, what I speak about in the book is it doesn't matter the color of your skin, doesn't matter if you're born from wealth or if you have an education. As long as you put a couple of principles in place, it can take you to the next level.
Okay. Sounds great.
yeah.
All right, cool.
Thanks, Brian.
All right, good. Good. I just wanted to get a clarification on what. what
You're like, what's going on over there?
Yeah. So they're going to wrap up that interview and then we'll come back out and get you.
Terrific.
And Brian, here's my name.
Perfect, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah,
Okay,
okay,
awesome.
awesome.
Okay,
Thank you, Brian. Appreciate it.
All right, we'll be back.
Thank you.
Today we'll be talking about an inspiring journey from humble beginnings to global success. Driven by faith, hard work, and perseverance, here to tell us all about it is business owner, industry leader, and best-selling author, Moses Heredia. Welcome, Moses.
Thank you for having me here. It's a pleasure to be here with you.
Absolutely. So tell us a little about your faith and how your hard work and determination helped you overcome your challenges to succeed.
You know, it boils down to since I was a child, and my mom really instilled that in me, in the faith and the 4 Gs, which is God, goals, grind, and global impact. And it always stayed with me till present. And I even tailor that into the businesses that I have accomplished to this day. So it's always been with me since my mother as a child.
And why did you write Fields of Fortune? And what's the message that you want to portray to the readers?
So the purpose of it was to educate people that sky's the limit. You can become whoever you would like to become and be someone in life. It doesn't matter if you're born in poverty.
Thank you. Have a blessed day.
Well, we actually did it early because we were supposed to start at 9 and
Actually,
9:45.
it's better for us.
Yeah.
Actually, guys, it's better for us to get it over with. So.
We're supposed to be filming right now as we speak, so I'm glad we got there early.
Yeah.
I'm glad we did what we did. They probably have more eyeballs on it too, I would guess, right? Maybe because they're, I don't know.
Did better, you know, they have more ads, ad money.
The one thing I learned is if you're gonna do something wrong, do it right, you know?
What
Oh.
Where do we go?
Wait, we're gonna talk to these guys to see where we gotta go.
That's a good answer.
Yeah.
I wonder what year this one was.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry. We're just excited. Well, I'm running over.
Hey, I didn't even hear you guys want to say this.
Oh, that's the real 2024, bro.
Wow.
See, that's 2024.
Okay.
But I wonder if that's the divisional, maybe. I don't think
No,
so.
that's the World Series.
Oh, this one is? Okay, so the one up there is just like a prop.
It's always a replica.
Oh, right. Got it.
So, I was thinking of taking it. That's why they do it.
But also don't do that.
And then after that, we're like, because we also have a suite at the Honda Center for hockey and stuff, and we use that for
Oh,
business
Mark
as
did
well.
tell me that. I'm actually going. We have tickets for the Ducks.
Tonight?
Yes.
Oh, stop by.
Stop by
Are
our
you
suite.
gonna be there?
Yeah,
Stop by our
of course,
suite.
yeah.
We'll be there
It's
tonight.
great. You'll meet my husband. He's
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're going tonight.
Well, now I got to meet him now. We're October 20th. He's
I know, right?
Yeah, Robert Street number down.
Yeah, so you have our number, yeah, ready, the suite number, and I can even have my assistant text you some tickets, so you don't have to knock on the door. You just go in.
Oh no, it's okay. I'll text you when we're out there. So are you guys just hosting friends, family tonight?
Just friends, friends, and there is a business gentleman that we're taking there
Okay.
tonight for business, so he's gonna be there.